Welcome to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to stop those constant promotional emails from AliExpress, step by step, whether you're using the website or the app. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your AliExpress account first. Open aliexpress.com or launch the AliExpress app. Log in using your email or social media account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you're in, click on your profile picture or username at the top right. From the drop-down menu, choose Account Settings. In the app, tap Account, then scroll down to Settings. Step 3. Access Email Preferences. Now look for a section called Email Subscriptions, Notifications, or Communication Preferences. On desktop, this is usually under My Preferences. In the app, it may appear under Settings Notification Settings. Step 4. Unsubscribe from promotional emails. In the email settings, you'll see a list of what types of emails AliExpress sends you, like promotions, coupons, or recommendations. Uncheck or toggle off everything you don't want to receive. You can also find a link at the bottom of any AliExpress email that says unsubscribe. Click that, and it takes you to this exact preference page. Step 5. Save your preferences. After unchecking the boxes or toggling the switches, scroll down and click Save or Confirm. That's it. You've now opted out of those annoying email alerts. Extra tip: still getting emails? Sometimes it takes a few days for changes to apply. If needed, mark the emails as spam or set up a filter in your email app, like Gmail or Outlook, to automatically archive or delete anything from at aliexpress.com. And that's how to stop getting AliExpress emails in 2025. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.